All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at a pair of glasses from Lucid. So they were nice enough to tell me, hey, Jay, pick out some glasses. And I was like, sure, let's check them out. I've got a lot of audio style glasses, and I wanted to give them a try because their collections are a little bit different than some of the other ones. It's a lot of variety here with Lucid, and they had the style I like. I mean, with some of the other glasses that are out, you're limited on style. Here's the official seal here. Go, make sure that's good. And we'll get these taken out here. So this is the packaging that it comes in real briefly. I like it. And this is exactly what's in the box. This is the Antimatter from the XL collection, as you can see here. So you'll be getting a picture of what you get on the actual box. All right, so let's cracking this open here. We're going to see what you get in the box. You get a bag here, microfiber cloth looks like. This is probably some instructions. Yeah, you get a user manual here. And it's all in color and it's all pictures. Yeah, you cannot, there's a quick start tutorial video that you can fire up on how to use them, get them charged. Need help using your glasses. Again, lots of things here to help you get started. Need prescription or other lenses. Wow, they are coming with it, man. I mean, okay, I get it. They're going to help you out. And here are the glasses. And oh yeah. And I chose the XL collection here because they look like regular glasses. And plus, I like the aviator style here. We'll get into this in just a second here. This is going to be nice. I can't wait to tell you how these sound. And obviously you get a charging brick here, and then you get a charger here to charge them. I'll get these charged up. There you go. And then this is how you charge them. Now, I would have liked to have seen some Type-C on here to make it a little bit more universal. For the price tag, upgrade complete. For the price tag, you want certain things, and sometimes you can't get them. So, and the reason Type-C will be better, obviously, because it's universal. But if I lose that, I'm going to have to buy another one, and so on. So you know how that works. So you got your bag, your microfiber cloth. And here are the glasses. Now, I do want to say, in comparison to other glasses that I've used, these are super lightweight. I mean, these almost feel fragile. I mean, it's incredible how they feel. They're very flexible, lightweight. The handles are heavier than the actual portion of the glasses. That is incredible how they've got these so lightweight. Wow. The power button right there. It's powered off. But you've got the two connectors here. So they power on separately. All right, so I'll go ahead and get these paired up real quick. I'll show you how this is going to work here. There is an application that I installed too to give you a little bit more help with your glasses, because you can actually use these to control other things. Voice assistant and everything. So let's go into Bluetooth here and let's see if we can find them. Lucid Light, there they are right there. And they're connected. So you can see they're connected. So, but before we get into any sound or anything like that, I just want to kind of stay on the hardware for a second. That was the easiest pairing situation I had going on in a minute. Let me check something here to see if my phone can tell me how much battery they have. See if it'll tell me. Yeah, so they're at 70% right there, as you can see. That's a good thing about having certain phones with battery statuses. You can check it there. They're at 70%, so we should be okay for the next testing in the next couple hours or so. But yeah, this is a pretty eclectic in its own, man. And I think just starting off with the hardware here, again, the only thing I have a dislike for right out the gate is just the charging It's exclusive just to them. And we've seen these types of chargers before on watches and things that I get from overseas or just different places. But that's the only negative I can find at this point, because this product feels really good. And they look, now I chose this style here for the aviator style because no one would know that I'm wearing smart glasses with this style. Some of the other smartwatches, smart glasses I have, you can tell that they're actually something different. But as far as the hardware goes, again, very lightweight, man. These probably, you might think these were heavy, but they are super lightweight, I gotta tell you. So you've got some speakers you got right here, because these are going to go over your ear. So it's an open ear kind of setup here. And I can't wait to tell you later on in this video, after using these for a little bit, how they're actually going to sound. Because most eyeglass wear like this that are Bluetooth, it's very difficult to get quality sound out of them. But I am going to be amazed if these do sound pretty good. And I'll be honest, because I've got several pairs of Bluetooth style glasses. You've got a little bit of their logo right there. Lucid. This is really nice, man. I can appreciate the style here. Then you have the other speaker on the out right there. And that's probably going to be for canceling out and keeping the sound, excuse me, close to you and not the world, because I've had some that are, you can hear them freely. And then you've got another outlet on the top up here. Probably hard to see, but you got an outlet there, and then one on the outside of each side, and then you've got one down inside of here. So yeah, so these buttons right here are the power buttons, and then you've got little mics on them as well. So these are going to be really nice. And you got one inside of there, looks like, no, that's the LED indicator, I'm sorry. And you got branding inside of the glasses as well. Again, probably a little difficult to see, but let's test these out, man. I guess I could only talk about how they look so much, but they are definitely lightweight. I can clearly see myself wearing these more and more. So give me a little bit of time to actually listen to these, and you just keep watching. But overall, man, I'm feeling these. I think these are a really good look. Well, I'm about to tell you right now how I feel. Let's get some music going and videos. All right, guys. So I have been listening to these for a little bit. Now, first, before I talk about sound quality and everything, I want to talk about comfort and feel. So these are, remember how I told you these are they're just ridiculously lightweight. Yeah, they are ridiculously lightweight. These are very lightweight, and they feel so, it's like you're not even wearing glasses. They feel about as lightweight as my real glasses here. So comfort and feel, make sure you get the right collection. I got the XL collection because I figured the XL collection would be, as far as size go, and then the design. I don't know. I just saw XL and I said, okay, great. So the comfort and feel, lightweight, even though these are, they're kind of thick like most Bluetooth glasses are going to be, you know what I'm saying? You're going to have that thicker portion here, because this is ultimately the speaker, the mic, the everything. And you know, they're going to be a little bit thicker, but most glasses that I have that are smart glasses are like this. This is how they look on the sides. But this is a good look. This aviator style look right here, thumbnail. This aviator style look is just the look I was going for. It just looks very natural with these glasses on. So no one's going to know that you're walking around with these glasses on, and they're tinted, right? But they're not that tinted. So I could have these on and just use them, and they'll be great. They're going to be great for outdoors and sunshine. And speaking of that, they actually are very nicely tinted, not too dark, not too bright. So you could possibly just leave these on as you're moving about. They just look natural. I just think they are a natural looking set of smart glasses. Now, speaking of smart glasses, voice controls and activating things, I don't have any problems with that. I typically don't like voice activated things, but I got to test it for you. So I don't think you'll have a problem with these. And again, the app is, that's another thing I've come across. The app is useful, but not useful, kind of. It's intuitive, but I just don't see the point of it. You can pretty much use it to speak to, the things, but I would rather just be able to have a little small button or something with these type of glasses, because I have smart glasses that I've actually been using for some time now. they're a little bit more intuitive than this setup right here, but these are pretty much, to me, a set of nice audio glasses. Now, speaking of audio, I'm going to start some music here, and you might be able to hear it, or you might not be able to hear it, but I can kind of hear it out a little bit. So if you are listening to music, I think people will know if they get close enough to you. Yeah, you might have heard that, or you might not have heard that. I don't know. But I can tell you that when I took the glasses off and I just sat them down, it was like a little mini speaker. They're actually pretty loud. So that's something to be aware of. You won't have to turn these up very loud if you're listening to music or anything. You'll be able to have them low enough to where you'll still be able to hear your surroundings. You can talk to people and still have the music going. If you can pull that off, turn the music down a little bit, and you can keep that going. So overall, man, I like them. I think they're a good look. They look good. They feel good. They sound good. They don't seal off any kind of sound or anything like that. I can totally hear everything around me, but I can still hear the music. So the open air concept is something it's becoming the norm. Like I went through the grocery store and I wondered how many people are actually using smart glasses. You just can't tell. Like the reflection of green that you see, that's my ultra wide screen monitor. You see? Yeah, it's the ultra wide screen monitor. But yeah, man, just overall, the way these are put together, they're very nice, man. I like them. They feel really good. And this aviator style here is I just love it. It looks so normal, if you will. Like you wouldn't tell these were smart glasses unless I got a phone call. So I did take some phone calls, and let me see if I can call myself. Hold on, let me see something here. Come on, John, grab one of your other phones, and let's see here. Just making a call to myself here. Let's see how this works out. All right, now, I don't think you guys could probably hear that. Yeah, I don't think you guys can. You might be able to. Let me turn it on the glasses. Okay, here we go. There we go. Yeah. So this is, I think with the phone call, though, I don't think a person would be able to hear you, but the music definitely could. So if I take these off here and see here, yeah, let's see. Test. It's very subtle, but it's clear to me. And I actually did a real, that was a test, okay? I actually did a real phone call with someone, and it was good, man. They had no idea that I was using these smart glasses. And that is what you want. You don't want a person to be able to tell, oh, you sound different. And I try not to ask that when I'm testing out anything Bluetooth, because the person is then going to hone in on, they're going to start looking for things in the subconscious. They're going to start forcing things that are just not there. So after making a pretty decent phone call, the person was, like a normal phone call. They didn't say anything like, oh, you sound, nope, everything's good. And it was a good call, and I hung up, and I still haven't said, hey, I'm testing out these new Bluetooth glasses. Just no need to. I think if you're going to test something out, just use it and don't tell anybody. You just keep it to yourself and let them decide how something sounds. Now, sometimes afterwards, after the call's over, I say, hey, was that call okay? I was connection with it. No, it was good. That's your true sounded good, clear. Yeah, clear, good. That is how you can test out if a product is actually really good. And typically I do that at the end of a pretty lengthy call. But I did make some calls, and it was good. The person didn't tell one way or another. So the microphones on here are really good. When someone's talking to you and the speaker quality is there, these are going to be great for walking around the grocery store too, because I can still hear my elements around me fully and then listen to music or talk on the phone to someone. So it's going to be really good. So, or if you're just walking down the street and it's a sunny day and you're going for a walk, these are going to be good for that too. Working out in a sunny day, these are going to be great for that, because you can hear all your surroundings, the elements, and you can still hear some good music or make a phone call, whatever you want to do. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and Shout out to Lucid for sending over some beautiful glasses that I will now be putting into full rotation. I am. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care. And the link's down below.